Hey peeps, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to automate the follow-up messages. So for that, the process is very easy to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. The link in the description below, check it out. It will redirect you to the Freshsales CRM platform. Navigate yourself on the left-hand side. Once you're on this page and log into your account, go to the conversations, go to the sales sequence, and in sales sequence, there's an option to create a sales sequence. So there are plenty of the templates that you can use. So reach out to new leads, reach out to new leads, low touch, all this stuff, and then follow up after any event. We are gonna use this follow up strategy because it's a very simple task. So what we're gonna do is a bit creative as well because we're gonna add a LinkedIn. It will send a message. We can create and select an email template to send a message, follow up the email for the first email. After the first email, once the sequence has happened, we're going to use the follow-up message to create it will send a follow-up email. Right after that, we will send it to LinkedIn message and send a LinkedIn connect option and then send a message. And then afterwards, it will send a second follow-up email. And it will delay it for like 2 days. And then we'll set up a call after 4 days, and if completed, we are gonna send an email afterwards it, and then another email afterwards it. So it's a follow-up email. We can add more email. We can add an email reminder and all that stuff in it. So this is something. And just a second. Okay. So I guess we're back. Okay. So this is something how you guys can do it. Just go ahead and say a star, and then it will work right away. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.